See this studio I'm in now? What if I told you that I turned this place into 3D and you can freely, digitally explore this place now? Fun, right? Well, if you ever wanted to create realistic 3D tours of your space or for your client shops, showrooms or any space at all, I have just the right solution for you. This one. So this is the Realsee Galois 3D LiDAR scanner. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So Realsee recently sent me this, okay? This is the Galois 3D LiDAR scanner as I mentioned just now. And it's a very easy to use device and it can definitely help people like renovators, interior designers, architects, merchandisers or anyone who wants to build 3D spaces of their projects. In case you haven't heard of Realsee before, they are actually a leader in digital space integrated solutions and they are able to replicate physical space and combine it with AI to help businesses tell their stories. So this Galois is a very compact scanner that weighs only 2.66 kg and the battery can last for about 8 hours. It's using rechargeable, removable batteries, which I will show you in a bit, okay? And the camera is actually 140 megapixels with ultra wide angle fisheye lens. The design is super minimal and very easy to set up. Now let's try scanning my studio. So the scanning radius is 0.2 to 25 meters and has a 360 by 155 degree field of view. Once done scanning, we can import the files into the Realsee app or the Realsee console on desktop to start editing. So once your project has been imported, what we can get is virtual tours, DIY floor plan, panorama photos with enhanced features for audience to interact, which we can then showcase on our website or even share to your friends. With the Realsee editor, we can generate DIY floor plan, customize the branding by putting our own logo and even add labels for different space or items in the tour. If your space is big, so for example, if your space has 2 to 3 floors or even multiple floors, you can actually create virtual tours to bring your audience around. Now let's talk about price. The Galois 3D costs $5499 USD and you can also get Realsee credits to host your projects. No monthly fee or subscription, just pay as you go. So to capture, upload, 3D tour edit, floor plan edit and also to download, they are all free. You don't have to pay any money for these services. For 3D tour hosting, you only need 1 credit and for raw image download, 15 credits and so on. You can see them on Realsee website. So before I end this video, I just want to share my thoughts. It's very easy to use and now everyone can create 3D tours or virtual tours of your space or your studio or your workshop or your showroom or your client's place anywhere you want, even outdoor, okay? So it's actually very interesting. For more information on the Realsee 3D scanner, go check out Realme website. Everything is in the description below. So that's all for today. I hope you are able to know a little bit more about devices like this because this is kind of rare and it's not our usual gadgets that we see in the market, okay? So if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!